to welcome you all on behalf of Excel Research, the 2021 Global Healthcare Awards, powered by Asian Fresh, leading brand in FMCG industry. Also, we would like to thanks to PKC Advisor, our event partner, and thank you our magazine partner, The Journey Untold Success Stories. The upcoming award is for First Emerging Brand of the Year, Wellness Supplement, and the award goes to Goyang.
Thank you Excel Research for recognizing our effort and awarding Goyang as Best Emerging Supplement Brand of the Year. I'm Dr. Rajesh Singh, the founder of Wealthy Life that has created Goyang brand. Today it is a proud moment and it feels really good when your effort and hard work is recognized at this level. I thank my entire team and all my co-directors Abhishek Barman, Bratoti Sen, Sonia Tiwari for their passionate efforts. Authentic products at honest prices is the identity of Goyang, and I'm sure this award will make us work even harder to maintain this identity. Thank you again.
Wealthy Life is a wellness startup started by industry expert, consultant and scientists. They are into health supplement, nutraceuticals and other wellness products. GoYang is present on leading e-commerce on online retail like Amazon, Flipkart, Cineroti, 1mg, Geomart, Big Basket, Next, Shopee, etc. Dr. Rajesh Singh is the founder of the company Wealthy Life and have created the brand GoYang. He is an entrepreneur, author and AMP performance growth coach. He is the creator of MHF, Millennials Health Frequency and Money Health Pyramids. He is strategist and AMP consultant with more than 24 years of experience. We would like to congratulate Dr. Rajesh Singh, founder of GoYang, for their commendable work to the society.